Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to post on Reddit mobile app, you've come to the right place. So to do it is really simple. For example, we open our Reddit account and now we want to create a post. You need to click on create here in the bottom. Click on create, write any title you want to add, any body text, and here you can have different options such as add a link, add a photo, and also add a video. So when we've done with creating our post, click on next and choose any subreddit you want, for example geography. In geography you need to add the flare, so click on add a flare and choose all flares. Choose the correct one for your post, click on apply and just simply click on post. Once you've done that, your post will be posted and people will react on this post and answer you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.